5 best WhatsApp marketing softwares. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 best WhatsApp marketing softwares to use. So first one has to be Brevo. So Brevo works as a WhatsApp marketing software and offers you the full range of WhatsApp campaigns. It works as a WhatsApp bulk sender. Brevo gives you access to WhatsApp API within its own platform. This means you can create and send campaigns and manage WhatsApp contact list without the technical skills usually required to work with APIs. The second one is Weti. So Weti is a WhatsApp API partner with bulk messaging, broadcast and customer communications. Weti offers user-friendly features for non-technical peoples by using a simple interface and a drag and drop builder. You can create customized messages for your WhatsApp campaigns. And the third one is NovoChat. NovoChat is a multi-channel chat marketing platform for e-commerce companies. It integrates with WhatsApp messengers, Telegram and Line. Broadcast messages campaign are only available on WhatsApp and messengers. The platform offers integration with Shopify and Easy Store, allowing users to promote new products with marketing messages as well. And then fourth one is Amio. Amio is a customer experience software offering contact centers, tools and chatbots. Amio is one of the provider for WhatsApp business API offering using to tap into advanced customer service and mass marketing. Last one is Respond.io. So Respond.io is a business messaging software streamlining communications through text messages, WhatsApp, email, social media and website widgets. The platform itself won't provide you the WhatsApp API access. You need to get it from one of the WhatsApp partners like 360 Dialog. Once you connect your API to the Respond.to account, you can reach your target audience with broadcast and personalized messages on WhatsApp. So these are the 5 best WhatsApp marketing softwares. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.